Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to lock only WhatsApp personal chat, so keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First you need to install one application from Google Play Store, so I am opening Google Play Store. Now search in here WhatsApp Chat Locker. WhatsApp Chat Locker. It's called Chat Locker, so click on this. In here you can see its rating 4.2 and download 500,000 plus. Maybe it's a good application. Install this application. Downloading, installing. Downloading and installing process has been completed. Now click on the open button. Select language, then click on the OK button. Enter a new password. Enter confirm password. In here type password hind. Finally click on the OK button. Now click on the plus icon. Click on the lock WhatsApp chats option. OK. Now automatic open accessibility option. Now click on chat locker option. Turn on this toggle option. OK. After open accessibility, back on the chat locker application. Again click on the plus icon. Then click on the lock WhatsApp chat option. Click on the OK option. Now open WhatsApp application. Select personal chat. I want to lock TechBoy. So click on this TechBoy. I have successfully locked. Now go to for check. WhatsApp TechBoy. You can see it's not opened, but when I am entering the password, it's opened. Now I want to remove the password. Open Chat Locker. Enter password. OK. Click on the TechBoy option. OK. I have successfully removed password. So I hope you enjoy this simple video. Share this video with your friends want to know how to lock only WhatsApp personal chat. If you have any question, let us know in the comments section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Android tutorials videos, and thumbs up like button.